Welcome to section 5.1, shell adaptations. This is where we've captured the position with relation to your scan or cast, and then we're going to make adaptations to the shell before we print it out. Shell material, section 5.1. Essentially, welcome to the power of ultimate variation. Going forwards, you can have typically anything that you want, depending on the printing process that we're being able to develop out there. At the moment, they're mostly synthetic nylons. Again, equivalent force return profile to most anything that's out there with regard to the carbon fibers and the polypropylenes. It all depends on the design process that you get us to do in between with different lattices or fins or frameworks. Okay, so if you know the force return profile that you want in any section of the foot, we can really quite simply, well, not so simply, but we can design features within the device that provide the force return in that particular area to what you want. Very exciting stuff. Okay, so shell material, basically two. We've got the nylons, whether it be a fully recycled one or a more petrochemical version that tends to be a bit more stable and a bit more popular with some of the printing bureaus, or EVA. Okay, your EVA devices, which will at this point in time need to be reductive manufactured, so not 3D printed. But if you choose that there, you'll typically find that you'll have a milled device to the exact same shape that we design in any case. Okay, so that's section 5.1, and then we'll go and talk a bit more details about the following. See you soon.